In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchored text in TradingView. Anchored text is perfect for leaving notes that stay locked to a specific price and time on your chart. This is useful for marking catalyst dates, breakout levels, or reminders about why you entered a trade. Unlike regular text, anchored text won't drift when you pan or zoom, so your context remains exactly where you placed it. First, go to TradingView and open any chart you want to annotate. If you already have a layout you use, load that. Otherwise, a default chart is fine. Give the chart a second to finish loading so your drawings and tools appear correctly. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the Text tool. This opens the text annotation options. From that menu, choose Anchored Text. This specific option tells TradingView you want your note tied to an exact coordinate on the chart, not just floating in space. It's a small distinction that makes a big difference as you navigate around. Now, click directly on the chart where you want your note to live. Use the crosshair to land on the precise candle and price level you care about. The anchor will attach to that coordinate so that even when you change timeframes or zoom levels, your annotation follows the data point. Type in your text. Keep it clear and concise so it's easy to scan later. For example, you might include the reason for your level, the timeframe context, or a brief reminder. Avoid personal or sensitive details. Your chart notes should focus on market context, not anything private. You can customize the color to make your notes stand out. Pick a shade that contrasts with your chart background and your candle colors. Many traders use color coding to keep notes organized. One color for news-related annotations, another for technical levels, and so on. The goal is quick visual recognition without clutter. Adjust the size so your text is readable at a glance without overwhelming your candles. If you tend to zoom out often, choose a slightly larger size. If you work zoomed in, a smaller size may keep things tidy. After sizing, briefly zoom in and out to confirm it remains legible in your typical viewing range. That's it. You went to TradingView, selected the text tool, chose anchored text, clicked on the exact point you want to reference, typed your note, then fine-tuned the color and size for clarity. Anchored text keeps your insights glued to the market action, so your reasoning is always right where you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building cleaner, more informative charts.